is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, you know, every now and then I run across a channel that's pretty interesting, you know what I'm saying? And it's a newer channel. This young lady, she had started this channel August 9th of 2024, and she's already got like 539 subscribers. She is building a 1968 fastback Mustang. She bought this car, and I believe it's out of Georgia where she's bought it from, because this what she's named the car is Georgia. But it's a 1968 Mustang fastback. It's a V8 car. I think it's a J code, she said. Looks like a pretty nice car, but I mean, it needs to be restored. And her and her dad, and I believe her boyfriend's helping her do it. Yeah, this is so cool. So get over there and check her out, man. I appreciate it. I just, like I said, I just found her, you know, and I will put her Instagram and her YouTube channel in the descriptions down below. So get over there and check it out. I'll check her out, you know, and say, hey, man, some old dude, Mr. Mach 1, sent me over here. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you know how I am about Mustangs, buddy. I love them. There we go. Mustangs. Yeah, buddy. There's my old 95 Cobra, my old 70 Mach 1. You know, I love Mustangs. So anyhow, guys, get over there and do me a favor and check her out. And let her know that we support her, man. That's really cool. I dig it. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it is you watch this. But do me a favor and get over there and check her out.